Hello everybody, today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Air-King 116900. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2011 or later. The characteristics include a stainless steel Oyster bracelet with a folding Oysterlock clasp with an easy link 5mm comfort extension link. The dial is black with white Arabic numerals and chromalight hands and 12 o'clock hour marker. This Air-King has a 40mm stainless steel case with a smooth bezel and contains an inner reflector ring engraved with the serial number, as well as a perpetual 3131 movement. This Air-King comes with a Rolex box, booklets, and a Rolex warranty card dated July 2016. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 116900 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.